Welcome to Villa Ulibarri, a sublime Spanish mission-style mansion perched on the pristine shores of Davies Bay in Frankston South. Located at 23 Gulls Way, this architectural masterpiece delivers uncompromised luxury, embodying the highest international standards in design and craftsmanship. Built by renowned Florida builder Cornerstone Constructions, this home represents a deep passion for Spanish architecture, seamlessly blending timeless elegance with modern sophistication. The property occupies a dream position right on the beachfront, offering true north-facing views that stretch from the coastline and Davies Bay Yacht Club across Port Phillip Bay to Melbourne's stunning city skyline. As you approach, iron gates open to a circular driveway, leading you to a grand entry framed by a fountain. This opulent welcome sets the tone, revealing an interior where every detail exudes luxury. The heart of the home is a state-of-the-art kitchen under an arched travertine ceiling, featuring exclusive Italian appliances, an officine Gullo stove, Gaggenau fridges and ovens, and a sub-zero drinks fridge and ice freezer. Brass fixtures, a zip hydro tap with sparkling water, a separate scullery, and a plethora of custom inclusions makes this kitchen a culinary haven. A media room, billiards and theatre room, a cozy den and a library, all designed to perfection. The parents' wing is a sanctuary, featuring a master suite with direct access to a poolside lounge with a fireplace. The ensuite boasts dual marble vanities, a shower room, an oval spa, and a dressing room with a rotating shoe rack and chandelier-lit display case. Adjacent is a gym with an infrared sauna, and a private staircase leads to a guest suite complete with a kitchenette, ensuite, and balcony. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms offer ensuites and walk-in robes, connected by a grand mezzanine and a library. A fully self-contained freestanding guest house overlooks the bay and a serene creek valley, offering a private retreat within this luxurious estate. Additional features include a lift to the guest room, a climate-controlled wine cellar, a dumbwaiter, a large double garage with extensive storage, a double carport, and a thriving fruit and vegetable garden. Villa Ulibarri is not just a home, it's an unparalleled lifestyle where every detail is crafted for those who demand the finest in beachfront living.